We're back!
Oh god. Nothing but Jill subtle. That's my favorite part about her.
Oh,
hey guys.
That's like the nicest thing anyone has ever said.
I love you, my bag.
We're starting this tutorial. Why did you take your hair out?
I was being stupid, and I was tired of looking.
This is the end goal. Okay, guys, I'm just taking some NYX liquid suede. This is also NYX liquid suede in Respect the Pink. Okay? Oh my god! We should do like
a live tutorial.
Yes, like
Dude, that'll take
and
hours.
sell tickets.
Would you guys come?
Comment below if you would come.
Yeah.
I'm taking the color Party Dress. Right there. I'm really just drinking a sock right now. I don't know why you're calling the police on me.
Yeah.
She said purple. What if skin was lipstick and lipstick was skin?
I wouldn't like it. That would be too brittle.
Okay.
Think about it. This makes my teeth look really white.
Okay, now I'm gonna put some lips on her. Now I'm doing my own take on this little Patrick look. So this is
If it go viral, I'm gonna kill myself. You guys see what I look like right now?
Okay. Guys, I know you're thinking, there's no way I can do this. Well, you're wrong, because anyone can do this look. Next step.
Oh, yeah.
It's just a simple piece of paper. Paprika. I leaked.
Oh god, what the fuck just happened? We're like every day. I'm excited for dinner. Okay.
This is not right. Stop! Okay, that looks pretty dry to me.
Yeah. Close your beepers. I have a secret talent. I'm like really good at putting on fake eyelashes.
Well then how about you do it? Cause
All done. I think eyelashes is a bad idea right now.
Okay.
We're putting these up. Put them away. Put them away, Jill.
They're away.
In the arms of the angel, fly away.
2,000 years later.
Hey, settle down. Take it easy. What the scallop?
I'm a goofy goober. You're a goofy goober. We're all goofy goobers. Goofy, goofy, goober, goober. Put your toys away. Well, all I gotta say when you tell me not to play, I say no way. No way, no freaking way. I'm a kid, you say. When you say I'm a kid, I say it again. And then I say thanks. Thank you very much. So if you're thinking that you'd like to be like me, go ahead, try. The kid inside will set you free. I'm a baby, Lizzie, I'm a baby, Lizzie, I'm a goofy goober.
Thank you for watching this
Yeah,
vlog.
thank you. On that YouTube grind, per usual. 2020 season's gonna go wild. like you've never seen before.
Dude, literally 2020 is gonna be our year. This is Jillian, back again, signing off.
Amazing. You're the best human being I've ever met in my entire life. Boop. Wait, that's not the camera. Where'd the camera go? Oh, there it is. Hi. Boop, boop. Alright, Jill. It's been 2 minutes and your keys were on the floor right there, Jill.